Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Magical Art with Ananya. So today we'll learn a easy thing. So let's learn how to draw a mushroom. So first what we have to do, we have to draw an inverted U, and inside the inverted U we'll draw another inverted U. Then we'll make the stem of the mushroom and join the stem with two lines. And after we have done, we have to draw circles and half circle in the body of the mushroom. Wow, it's super simple, right? Everybody can do it quickly. And once you have completed that, can you guess what can we add more? We can make the mushroom a little bit stylish. So let's add the face and the smile to the mushroom. Wow, our mushroom is ready. And I have colored my mushroom. You don't forget to color, and do like, share, and subscribe my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya.